Hi, I'm Donna Miller. I'm going to show you how to make a card shaped in the image of this Lego head. To find your image, I went to Paper Trail Design and they had a free Lego head on here. So I just clicked on the image that I liked and I right clicked and then I saved my image onto my computer. So once you're in Cricut Design Space, you want to click the upload button and you want to upload your image into Cricut Design Space. I did convert my image into an SVG using Inkscape, and if you want to learn how to create your own SVG images in Inkscape, be sure to check the description below and I'll have a link to that video below. Be sure to use tags when you're saving your image so that it's easier for you to search for your image later on. Now that our image is in Cricut Design Space, you want to ungroup on the top layers panel and move the sunglasses off to the side. So now we're going to go up to the top layer panel on the right, hit the duplicate button, and that will give you two of the Lego heads. Then you want to go to the bottom panel and hit the weld button, and that will turn the sunglasses all into one solid thing. We're going to go back to the top and hit the color sync, and then you can move the Lego head down to the color to make them both be this orangish yellow color. So now I'm going to move the blank Lego head onto the top of the one with the face, and we're going to line those up as best as we can, and you can actually highlight both of those, go to a line, and make sure that you can center those horizontally. Now what I should have done, because you can see that gap there between the two heads, I should have flipped those two around, and that's what I needed to do. So you could see that I had just welded right there, and that turned both of them to a solid color. And that's okay because we have our glasses hidden in the background, and that's exactly what you're going to want. So now off to the left hand side panel, you're going to click Shapes and then go to Score Line, and we're going to bring our score line over to our card. And wherever that's placed on there, that is where the machine will actually score for you. So what we need to do now is we need to highlight the score line and the base of your card just by holding Control on the keyboard and go and attach them together. So now all you have to do is click the Make It button and you will have a Lego head card for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider clicking and subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on anything.